from Little Haiti who were saying that like
They
Haitians,
had it bad though. Let me tell you something, Haitians, they got alienated from everybody.
Why is that?
It's just weird, it's stupid. So you got everybody named Jean Baptiste, you can't really hide from it. Your name is Jean Baptiste. When we were young, they would lie and say they wasn't Haitian. Oh, my name JB. Somebody gonna find out that your name is Jean Baptiste, and then you're gonna get punched in the face just because you're Haitian. Because it was a horrible thing to be in the early 90s. You had two things in high school. You had Cracker Day and you had Haitian Day. Cracker Day was if you was white, you was just getting punched in the face for that. The other one was Haitian Day, and they just, if you was Haitian and they knew it, you just didn't go to school that day. You found out, you got off the bus because you knew that they was just gonna punch you in the mouth just for being Haitian. And then mid to late 90s, if you tried to say something bad about a Haitian, you was getting f***ed up.
Is that because of Zopound?
They all mobbed up. They all clicked up.